Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to be staying in the same general vicinity as the last two videos about pointers and objects. And as you can see right here, and by the name of the video, we are going to be looking at the copy method. So alright, we're just going to have a real simple list here. 1, 2, 3, close out. Then we're going to do y equals x, and we'll go from there. So alright, let's just run this. So we call x, we call y, x is y, or excuse me, so let's cover both our basics and basis. Let's get that better. Okay, so as we can see, y is x, x is y, x is equivalent to y, and I guess we could do y equivalent to x just to make sure we're covering all our basis. So now, let's look at this. So we have x. So then we come and we change x index 0 and we make it 0. We rerun this. So we call x, call y, because this is going to this item because it is pointing at the same item. Remember, this is the object. These are our pointers to this object. So if I change one, I change the other. So now let's block that out. So now what we are going to do is we're going to learn about this. So now we do y is equal to x dot copy. So let's run this. So now let's look at this. So y equals x. True. Y is x. False. And we're going to pull from our last couple things. So okay. They are equivalent to each other, but they are not the same. They are not the same. This is why I wanted to split all these up and show you. These are not the same. So now if I come and I change this to 0, if I can type correctly today. So let's run this, and I call y, and I call x. Lo and behold, because I just created a new object. This, and let's read what list dot copy does. Boom. Shallow copy. We're not going to get into now what a deep copy is, but there are two types of copies. So this creates a new object. So little new, in the past couple videos we've learned some new terminologies. These are pointers. Every variable is an object in Python, and now we learned about, in the last couple, we learned about is, the ID, and that's why I thought these would be awesome to be broken up and to really get to show you guys the type of things that are around and in Python. So is very handy, and then ID is you really want to say where did my variable go, what happened to it. So very handy in debugging. So don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because I don't want you missing any of these handy tools and techniques. So thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.